Assalamualaikum, hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Step into a realm of vibrant elegance with our latest YouTube showcase, featuring a kaleidoscope of knitted frocks, cardigans and sweaters. Each piece is a testament to the artistry of handcrafted knitwear, boasting bold geometric patterns and soft pastel hues. Join us as we delve into the intricate stitches, luxurious textures, and captivating color combinations that define these garments. From cozy comforts to statement-making ensembles, our collection promises to inspire and delight fashion enthusiasts of all tastes. Prepare to be mesmerized by the craftsmanship and creativity showcased in every stitch. Join us on this journey through the world of handcrafted knitwear and discover the beauty that awaits you. I hope you enjoyed our today's video. If you like to watch these type of videos, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like our video, share and comment. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.